every government, every authority is requesting the people and making it compulsory to wear mask when we are going outside. But are you aware of the mask you are wearing? Are you aware of the types of masks what are there outside? Are you aware that what mask fits your day-to-day lifestyle? Is it an N95 mask? Is it a surgical mask? I am going to explain all the types of masks, and also I am going to tell you which type suits you better. So let's get started.
Before getting started, please subscribe Quick Knowledge channel and press the bell icon beside it so that you will get latest notifications and updates of this channel.
Before getting into the type of mask, why masks are worn? Masks are worn so that the hands which are using, means hands can get contaminated with bacteria or virus. So when you touch your nose or mouth, the bacteria or virus enters your body. To prevent that, to prevent you from touching your nose or mouth, mask is used as a barrier. So there are different types of masks with different layers, like 1-layer mask, 2-layer mask, 3-layer, like N95 mask, respiratory mask, surgical mask, cloth mask, homemade mask. There are many masks. So now I am going to show you the different types of masks and will give a brief description about it. In these different types of masks, I have variety of masks. So I will explain each one by one. Now this is a surgical mask. Surgical mask is used by medical nurses or doctors, and it provides 95% protection for virus. And it's also a single-use mask, means you should not reuse it, you should not wash it. You just should dispose it after one single use, means after one day. You have used this for one day, you should dispose it. And like this mask comes in 2 layers or 3 layers, but offers protection like this. You should wear a mask like this, and the nose clip. So like this a surgical mask is. Here we see the black 1-layer mask. Some people use it often. So like this is just like a sponge, and it does not offer protection for virus, just from dust and pollen grains. Just I'll wear it and show you. Like this mask is not useful, and it's not recommended to wear it. But if you want like little cover, and if you're staying in home, and if you're cough, okay, it is okay. And now we have a 2-layer cloth mask. Like it's made up of rayon and some cloths. Cotton. It also comes in 2 layers or 3 layers. Once you will wear it, and will adjust it. You should adjust like this. And this is the cotton or like cloth mask what we are getting. It's of 2 layers and 3 layers. This also offers protection from droplets, and it just acts like a cover. It's a barrier from outer world environment and your nose and mouth. This is a 3-layer cotton mask. This is also a 3-layer cotton mask, but it's like cotton, and it can be used like this. It's a 3-layer cotton mask. It's more like breathable, like the last one, blue one I showed. And now here we come a 4-layer mask. It's a 4-layer mask. You can see inside and outside. 4-layer. It has 4 layers. You should wear it. You should adjust it and just. This is a 4-layer mask. And next, you will go this mask. This has 5 layers, like activated carbon, like that. Every mask has different types of layers. Like when you are buying masks in offline or online, make sure that you are buying the first see the features of the mask. Okay, so this is the 5-layer mask. Like this you should wear, and adjust the nose clip like this. And after adjusting, this is the 5-layer mask. So I have explained about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will be explaining about the 6-layer mask, the N95 and the respirators. This is the so-called the N95 respirators. Now this N95 respirators are being sold in the markets very cheap and effective. Like people are thinking that this is the best. No, this is not the best mask. See, although it has 4, 5, 6 layers, this respirators are not good mask. I'll wear it and explain you. See, now suppose you see this vent is for exhaling, but this vent quality is not good in all masks. What we exhale, like if a COVID-19 patient wear this and he exhales his air what he exhales, what he sneezes will come out easily, because there is a hole here. You can see this is not a like electric vent to keep it. So this is not at all safe. It's like don't use this respirators. Now we come up with N95 or KN95 mask. They are called as N95 or KN95 mask. N95 means it's an American standard, and KN95 is a Chinese standard. Don't think that KN95 is a Chinese made mask. No, it's like an Indian made only, but following some rules of that standards. Now here we wear it. Should wear it and adjust. Like this is N95 mask. It has 6 layers. So like this is the most effective mask. Like the name itself you tells that it provides 95% protection. And also you can see that it means it allows particles up to 2.5 micron. 2.5 micron, and some masks allow more. So this is just N95 mask, but some N95 masks are disposable, single use. This is a washable mask, I have been using it, but some N95 masks are single use, then dispose it. Any mask single use, you should dispose it. And some, like if a washable mask also, like it is spoiled or something, you should dispose it. And now we come to Wildcraft Super Mask, what it is getting more fashion and see. This mask is absolutely a very good mask, and it has 6 layers, compulsory it has 6 layers. So I'll wear it and show you. We should adjust the metal clip, nose clip, and this is the mask, what it is. We have 6 layers in this mask, and this mask is also perfect. So like these are the types of masks what I have explained. So these are the masks which are available in the Indian market and world market. So people wear these types of masks, and it is very beneficial for you, and it's very good and important for you to being aware of the mask types. Now I have told you the different types of masks, and I have given a brief description of them. So there are some guidelines for you to follow while wearing mask. If you are wearing a mask, before touching the mask, please wash your hands with soap or with alcohol based sanitizer, because if you wash your hands and use the mask, like other masks with them do not contaminate, and the mask, like the germs in your mask do not go to the mask in your hand. And now next guideline is that never wash or reuse a single disposable mask. Like when you are buying a mask, see the features of it. Like if it is single use, use only one time. And if it is reusable and washable, use for some time. But if it gets spoiled or thing, just dispose it, because masks are very important for you to prevent your body from being infected from COVID-19. They play a very major role. And one more thing, all people are buying N95 masks nowadays. It is not required. People who are in home and just go out for some, like just go out from a walk and like for groceries, I recommend you 2-layer, 3-layer, or at least a 4-layer mask, a cotton mask. So like it will be beneficial for you, and it will be good for you not to be spending much amount on the 6-layer mask. Next, persons who go often to office and travel a lot, I recommend them 6-layer mask and 5-layer. It's very important for them to wear that, because they go out and they travel a lot. Many people, they may get with close contact, so that this mask help. N95 masks and 6-layer mask, 5-layer mask. I don't recommend respirators at all. Some people are stitching masks in home. Yes, it's a very good thing. Make your own mask in home, but be cautious. Like see, some people are making mask in their home with no proper fitting. See this mask once. It's a loose mask. Please don't wear loose mask anytime, because virus can come in contact with you. This is a very loose mask, and you should not wear a loose mask. If you are making mask in home, just like be with proper measurements and wear it, because you will reuse that mask and you will wear the mask every time. So this is all about the types of mask. And this, what I have told, the mask, it's not for the health services, health department people, sanitation department, police department. For them, N95 and 6-layer, 5-layer mask is must. And these types of masks are for the general public who often gets confused with the types of masks. And this is all about the video. I hope that you like the video. Please stay home and be safe from the COVID-19. And also, if you go outside, please wear a mask and go. And this is all about the video. Hope you like the video. Please share it with your friends so that they can also get information about these types of masks. And also, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Stay tuned to Quick Knowledge.